Hi everybody. So I hope day one went okay. I know that everything is still kind of a little bit confusing. So I decided for day two, for tomorrow, Tuesday, April 7th, to make a little video to hopefully clear some things up for you. So what I'm looking at is the PowerPoint that I sent to you. That is the Wonders Learning Schedule for April 6th through April 10th. And it just kind of gives an outline of the different tasks that should be done throughout the day. So we're looking here Tuesday, April 7th. So 20 minutes of Lexia can be done anytime during the day. And then 20 minutes of Wonders work. So the tasks are individual. So like right here, it says Unit 9, Week 1, Day 2, Story, Peter's Chair. You use the link to listen to a read aloud with me about Peter's Chair. And then it tells you down below which worksheets to use. So the comprehension strategy that we'll be using today is to retell the story. So it says use engaging readers, page 91. I did my best to label the pictures, and I know that some of the copies didn't all get it. But like up here, I put Tuesday 91, and this is what the worksheet looks like. So it has two sets of pictures. They actually only need one of them, but we do these in class all the time, so your kids should be pretty familiar with them. So what they're going to do is on any other piece of paper, we usually do a craft or something, but the comprehension strategy is to retell and remembering the sequence of events in the story. So on another piece of paper, they're going to cut out the pictures and glue them down in order from beginning to end. Okay, so the next task is down here. It says spelling pattern. So what we would be learning in school right now is we have done all the short vowels, and we were working with long vowels now, specifically the vowel consonant E pattern. So this week is A consonant E words. So each day for the spelling pattern, there's a little video. It might either be one of the kindergarten teachers teaching or a link to a YouTube, something that goes with the vowel pattern we're doing. Then you look down here and you see it says complete Unit 9, page 16. Okay, so at the top of this page, I wrote a number 16, so this is the worksheet that goes with that spelling pattern. Okay, so they're going to fill in the missing letters: face, cape, cane, ape, wave, date, wake, cake, and rake. Then down here is sight words. Our sight words this week would have been help and to. Dom, will you come let Jazz out, please? Help and to. So there are some YouTube links that go along with those sight words, and then they'll do this worksheet today for two. They should have done help yesterday, and now Tuesday sight word is going to be two. We use these worksheets in class all the time as well too, so they should be really familiar with what to do with it. They read it and color it, trace it, write the word at least 3 times, trace and write the sentence, illustrate the sentence, and then cut out the letters and build the word. Okay, so that's down here at the bottom where it says 20 minutes reading and sound games. It's 20 minutes total, so they should spend some of that time reading, and they can either read a book that they have at home to you, you can read with your child, or they can use this link on here that is me reading, and they can read along with me. And it would be an appropriate like grade level book. And then the sound games down below are something that we do in class too. These are mostly recorded by either Mrs. Willie or Miss Hollander, but we do them in my classroom as well too. So they just follow along and play the sound games, which is like phonemic awareness. Then for math, let me move to the math schedule. Okay, so Tuesday, April 7th. Part of the math plan is to do 20 minutes, if you can, of Eureka, or 20 minutes of ST Math. I'm sorry, that should say ST Math. And then, no, it shouldn't. 20 minutes of ST Math, and then 20 minutes of math enrichment. We'll talk about that in a second. But Module 5, Lesson 2. So you click on the link here and watch the YouTube video. which is a teacher giving a short mini math lesson. The directions in the day of the things that you should do with your child, don't stress if it's too confusing. It's just me trying to transition the actual lesson plan to something that would be feasible for you to do. So, and then each day down here at the bottom, it says complete the problem set and exit ticket. Those are from the math workbooks. I don't have a student copy with me. I only have my teacher one, but it's the green math workbooks. And it tells you at the top. So like problem set, and then in their workbook. So you're going to work on lesson 2 today, and then just each day do the other lessons. Okay, I hope that helps a little bit, but still, please text me, email me if you're not sure about something, and really don't be overwhelmed or stressed out. We're all like doing new things together. There's no right or wrong. We just want to help the kids try not to fall behind and be ready for first grade. With the math, this module is mostly about teen numbers and place value. So just really reinforcing that there's like a group of 10 and then some more ones when we're talking about teen numbers, and recognizing and writing those numbers as well. Okay, so good luck. Reach out to me if you have any questions. And I hope day 2 of this week goes really smoothly. Hi, sorry, I forgot to talk about the math enrichment. So math enrichment is just basically any games that you guys could play together, anything that includes like counting or like board games, Uno, card games. There's a bunch of websites listed here for ideas. I also created this little math scavenger hunt over here that I thought might be fun. Just kind of way to break up the math a little bit over here. So find 2 pencils and 1 blue crayon. How many things do you have? Just something a little different. But anyway, okay. Hope day 2 goes smoothly. Let me know if you need anything.